Hi, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall the Eclipse. First you search here the Eclipse, and then right click here and you can uninstall from here, but when the control panel is open you can't find the Eclipse here to uninstall from here. So if you cannot find the Eclipse here, so you can don't worry, you can uninstall it manually. So for this purpose you first you should go to drive C. You go to drive C, then go to user folder, and after that you should go to admin folder. Click here, and then you can find 3 folders here which are belong to Eclipse. First one is the .eclipse, the other one is Eclipse and Eclipse work plus. You can select the .eclipse as well the Eclipse. If you want to delete your previous works or previous project, also you can select the Eclipse work plus, then right click and delete all of 3 folders. After that your Eclipse will be uninstalled completely from your computer.